The exploration of global cuisines presents a fascinating study in cultural traditions, historical migrations, and the ingenious use of local produce, all of which have contributed to the unique culinary tapestries that are beloved worldwide. Each cuisine reflects a part of its country's identity and has had a remarkable impact on food culture, creating what can be described as gastronomic globalizations. Italian cuisine undoubtedly reigns supreme in the global culinary scene. With its roots stretching back to ancient Rome, Italian food has evolved to incorporate a variety of ingredients brought in through trade and exploration. Staples such as pasta, pizza, and risotto are celebrated for their simplicity yet ability to captivate the palate with rich and complex flavors. Italian cuisine is famous for its use of fresh ingredients like tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and an array of herbs, which create vibrant and comforting dishes. The international success of Italian cuisine can largely be attributed to the fact that it caters to a wide range of tastes, offering dishes from the hearty and rustic foods of the Italian countryside to the refined foods found in the northern regions. Following closely in popularity is Japanese cuisine, known for its precision, presentation, and meticulous sourcing of ingredients. Central to Japanese culinary philosophy is seasonality, a dedication to using ingredients at their peak to extract the most flavor. Sushi and sashimi represent the cornerstone of Japanese food, illustrating the respect for ingredient integrity, where the natural flavors of fish are enhanced, not masked. Additionally, iconic dishes such as ramen, tempura, and teriyaki have contributed to the cultural reach of Japanese food around the globe. Japanese cuisine offers a unique gastronomic experience, blending flavors that may seem subtle at first, yet revealing depth with each subsequent bite. Mexican cuisine is renowned for its bold, spicy, and full-bodied flavors. It is a colorful amalgamation of indigenous Mexican culture mingled with Spanish influences. The use of ingredients such as corn, beans, chilies, and avocados encapsulates the essence of what is considered authentic Mexican food. Dishes such as tacos, enchiladas, and guacamole have become universal favorites. Mexican cuisine's global popularity is deeply linked to its street foods, which offer a vibrant and accessible introduction to the country's flavors. This accessibility has been a pivotal factor in its widespread appeal. French cuisine is revered around the world for its finesse, sophistication, and culinary expertise. French cooking introduced the world to a philosophy of eating as an art, epitomized by its diverse techniques from sauces and pastries to bread and cheese making. Classic French dishes such as coq au vin, ratatouille, and crème brûlée highlight the country's culinary grace, reflecting an ethos of flavor harmony and artistic presentation. French gastronomy has often dictated the global culinary trends, with the Michelin Guide often heralding almost holy status amongst culinary enthusiasts. Chinese cuisine offers a myriad of regional specialties, with each reflecting varying climate, geography, and cultural influences. From the fiery spiciness of Sichuan dishes to the delicate dim sums of Cantonese cooking, Chinese food spans a flavorful spectrum. Rice, noodles, soy products, and vegetables are cornerstones of Chinese dishes, which emphasize diversity in tastes and textures. The intricate preparation methods and balancing of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy has made Chinese cuisine one of the most popular and accessible around the world. Each of these cuisines has contributed to forming a global culinary landscape that continues to evolve, driven by innovation while preserving traditional methods and values. Whether it is the simplicity of Italian dishes, the precision of Japanese preparations, the vibrant flavors of Mexican cooking, the elegance of French cuisine, or the diversity of Chinese dishes, these culinary traditions continue to capture the hearts and taste buds of people across all corners of the globe.